In a surprise move, Thamaiban MLA Joy Kishan resigns from BJP and joins the Congress. BJP Manipur says Joy Kishan's resignation from the party will have little impact. Goodwill Mission for Peaceful Coexistence emphasizes the need to resolve the present issue. BJP Manipur Pradesh to demand Rajnath Singh to wipe out NSA and IM's designated camps in Manipur to end the economic blockade. And defending champion Neroka FC reached the final of 68cc meet Assam Regimental Centre Shillong in the final. Good evening viewers, welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News and I'm Priyoberta Sharma. Let's see what made news this Wednesday. In a surprise move, Thamaiban MLA Kumukcham Joy Kishan, who resigned from BJP Manipur Pradesh, and Kaisamthong MLA Laisom Ibomcha, who won the Kaisamthong seat on Nationalist Congress Party NCP ticket, joined the Indian National Congress today. MPCC President Tien Haukip welcomed them to the party. They were felicitated by members of Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee, Chief Minister Okram Ibobi and his cabinet colleagues, MLAs, at a function held at Congress Bhavan, BD Road this evening. Speaking at the function, Chief Minister Ibobi said the party welcomes the members who joined the party in such a critical juncture. MLA Laisom Ibomcha said he joined the Congress to protect the integrity of the state. Joy Kishan also said he joined the party after CM Ibobi asked him to safeguard the integrity of the state. Congress Election Committee Manipur Chairman Ramesh Chunitala and Congress General Secretary in charge Northeast CP Joshi also attended the felicitation.
Nation asigi larger interest state asigi interest yengaga koi party da yaubiduna Manipur gi issues kaya mayam puna maksingsi solve taunana ba honaba Manipur si yamna shanti leiba tangdu leita ba yamna develop oiba aduguma state ama oinana ba honabada sauba thodang lobigani
YFC Purpa Yana Yusi Singwadi Tado Kirim Center the Kanalakle have the home stand Welagun Masina Asubo or Malgadi Marxi UNC leaders in a conspirator Sab Manaba came to Canada Bisani Ma to the Masu Project Todoni Alamba a quick contribute to Jagani a quick Kanjaba Punabak Isai Wajopunum Tadoga Lebaki Namukta Projaki Namukta Yapinaba parties in Yok Japani
Nasi Haiba Mikups the Hona Party na Iwanda Manipur gi integrity gi Manipur la terrorism fight tawnaba amasung Manipur praja miyam gi damakta tawwe aba kudimak katholaga tawnaba party na pilakpa sintha kudimak hangna panthoknaba sem sare.
Earlier, the leader of legislature wing of BJP Manipur Pradesh and Thamaiban MLA Kumukcham Joy Kishan had resigned from the primary membership of BJP and as an active member. Speaking to media persons at his residence in Koyathong, Joy Kishan said he joined the party for its philosophy of nation first, party next, self-last. He alleged that when the people of Manipur are facing immense hardship for the last month and a half due to the economic blockade, the BJP government at the centre has not expressed its concern. He said the BJP leaders not only remained silent over the twin ambushes in which 3 police personnel died, but also did not say a word against the snatching of guns from the police personnel at Nungkao. The talk in the town is also about what the centre has done to resolve the current imbroglio in the state. Joy Kishan said the silence maintained over the economic blockade and the ambushes by NS and IM proves that the centre takes Manipur lightly. He said there is no point remaining in a party where one cannot talk on public issues and work for the people. He hoped that the internal issues of the party will be resolved after his resignation. Joy Kishan said he will discuss with the people of Thamaiban and announce the party he will join this evening.
Aigi BJP Sarkar na Manipur ki kaidauri jiri lambida kaidauri henna nungnangli wapam UNC ki blockade adugi mathakta Manipur ki law and order ngak liba police khana NSA na IM na ambush tawrakpada central government na wapam mata thammak kingam daba IRB post ki khulai kun puraganda hujik pongwa aikoina karimata tawangam da haibase masimakna administration leitre central lengak nasu manipur ki interest leitre haiduna manipur miyam lawre lairiba tangkak asida aina BJP luchingama oiraga aigi sarkana central government da lairaga thabak amata tawram kanra aina parties da lebige wan tokse leitre wapam da aina resign tawjabani.
Meanwhile, BJP Manipur Pradesh has maintained that the resignation of KH Joykishan from the party will have little impact. Spokesperson of BJP Manipur Pradesh and Mangi has categorically stated that the resignation of Kumukcham Joykishan will not affect the BJP in any way. Speaking exclusively to Impact News, Mangi further said Joykishan won his first election in 2012 on Trinamool Congress ticket and was disqualified by the speaker due to an internal fight in the party. He later won the seat on the BJP ticket. By quitting the party now, he has created a history of party hopping. Former Minister N. Mangi expressed the confidence that BJP will still form the next government with absolute majority even if Joykishan resigned from the party. Mangi rubbished the report carried by local dailies that the central government has ordered the state government to release the two UNC leaders unconditionally. Spokesperson of BJP Manipur Pradesh R.K. Shivachandra clarified that the central leaders have not issued any order. He said the central government has no authority to intervene in the state subject. This is created by a few individuals to malign the party. He appealed to the public to not believe in such false news and also assured the people that BJP is doing all they can to solve the current crisis.
BJP haibasina khwaidagi phare anai amuk yaura kanda ngasi tari kunma toida BJP dagi to Congress da amuk yaure sina tari basina achumbo oirabadi praja gi seba se chahi ama phana seba tawangam daba chahi amada ahumlak onthok onchin tawbai Manipur da amuk ta thokhidibe itihas amadi kai khumna jariba sri Joykishan anoba amadi Manipur praja da utle aduna BJP gi damak Thoidok na masida kaithaba haiba leite
the Manipur da phongba pausem da UNC gi leader ani phadna lairibsi center da gi thado o haina hairi haibsi yumpham suyaw yaw da ba paw sulai leitaba pawamni masi center gi India government na Manipur government da siungba mi ni si thado kho haibsi nium gi matung na haiba suyade center ne state subject to khud thingalga dumaina haiba yaba gi posulai leite masi BJP bu nungsidaba mi kharagi khujin thorang ni Manipur gi miyam na siunglaba
Goodwill Mission for Peaceful Coexistence today organized an all-communities get-together meeting for peaceful coexistence at Kwaraman Bazaar. Speakers at the meeting stressed the need to resolve the current crisis facing the state by holding a dialogue by all concerned and not just lip service. The meeting attended by representatives of different communities and people from various walks of life. Speakers reiterated that all need to work together to bring an amicable solution to the current crisis. They also said the civil society organizations are doing whatever they can when the government has remained a mute spectator.
Prajana lan banate ai na ningi bese chumi bani masi tau do biate hena nampu tau budo madu da sorak bane
blockade and counter blockade haiba sinadi ka sum ta solution porak loi hinsana ka sum ta solution porak loi akoi taseng na ta ti matang sidagi koi lepa asida miyam gi lengak la halasi.
BJP Manipur Pradesh will demand the Union Home Minister Rajnath Singh to wipe out the designated camps of NS and IM located in Manipur to end the economic blockade. Addressing media at the party's office in Nitaipa Chuthek, spokesperson of the party Okram Joy reminded that the economic blockade is more than 50 days old. He said essential commodities are not available in the market. He alleged that the state government is least bothered and has not taken steps to end the blockade. He said a team of BJP Manipur Pradesh led by the president is camping in Delhi and will meet the Union Home Minister and demand him to end this blockade. Joy mentioned that the BJP Manipur Pradesh will not compromise on territorial integrity and reminded that the national leaders have categorically stated that there will be no compromise on territorial integrity of Manipur. Meanwhile, BJP has stopped all kinds of campaigns in the state due to the prevailing situation. The team of BJP Manipur Pradesh led by President KSH Bhavananda is likely to meet the Union Home Minister Rajnath Singh tomorrow.
NSN gi Kader amasung underground kangbuna yamna sathina attack tawna mihat mipun ki thabak chatarak basi BJP na condemn tawbaga loina Manipur government na madra sabsana response pinana ko hainingi loina na BJP ki team na Bharat ki prime minister da Bharat ki home minister da sab action do yam thona phana nu fa tong na terrorism thengna bagi mai kai do adon da changhan na koi thabak pai ka ni territorial integrity mai kai da BJP na kana gumba amata ka compromise tawroi karigumba Bharat sarkar ki wai state sarkar ki work pai karigumba policy amata na ngangkai gi simana gi wafum da solok pa ya ba thabak chu lokot pa yaroi Bharatiya Janata Party na kana gumba party amata ga pre-poll alliance tawde tawro
Manipur Naga Revolutionary Front MNRF has appealed to the UNC to withdraw the economic blockade. In a press release, the MNRF said all the communities have been living together from time immemorial as proud citizens of Manipur. It also said all Naga people do not support the economic blockade. Chief Minister Okram Ibobi today inaugurated a multi-purpose community hall at Kangabok in Thopal district. In his inaugural speech, O. Ibobi categorically stated that no organizations should call for burn and blockade to press the demand as they hamper development in the state. He also said the people should not be forced to support a particular party. Ibobi stated that efforts are on to supply drinking water to Kangabok Part 1, 2 and 3, Sangayumpam and Tenthai areas by installing overhead water tanks. Unidentified miscreants set fire to Mutumpibau suspension bridge last night. The bridge is located at Irong Kuno, about 4 kilometers from Lilong Nungai, and connects Irong Kuno and Mutumpibau Kul. The people today held a meeting at Irong Kuno Community Hall to discuss the burning of the bridge today. Speaking at the public meeting, former president of Youth Development Union Irong Kuno, Rahimuddin Kulakpam, demanded the state government to find a permanent solution to the Lilong Nungai issue. He further stated that the bridge connects the village to other neighboring villages, and people, including students, depend on the bridge for going to Mayalambi. He appealed to the people to not destroy the bridge. He demanded the authorities to punish the culprits responsible for burning the bridge and book those persons responsible for trying to create rift between two neighboring villages. Rahimuddin also appealed for reconstruction of the bridge.
Lifeline waba thongi asigumba thongasi mangkiba leitaba habse lambasigi chap chara chakhausi project puga sakmane akhoi amna wabani Paliba sarkar asida thamjani gi wapandi koi thongasi matikchaba pakka thongma konthok binaba maina na department da chan binaba amadi company sabe liba miyo sinasi mari lenaba department na thigatpiaga matikchaba dagi video habasima appeal tawjari
Works Minister Khetrimium Biren today inaugurated Lajang Phai Thingchom and Tuithapi and Kanan Weng bridges over the Khuga River in Saikot constituency in Churchampur district. Speaking on the occasion, the minister promised to build an IVR road from Lajang Phai to Churchampur town. He said the two bridges will be an added facility to the growing population. Biren observed that only when there is better connectivity of roads will a place develop. He also expressed his willingness to discuss any developmental works to be taken up with the people. Taking part at the event, President of MPCC T.N. Haukip appealed to the MDC to ask relevant authorities to stop sand quarrying in the Khuga River so the new bridges last long.
Lamdam ama chawkhatpa haibasi lambi thong pharaba matamda da ekoina chawkhatpa haibasi oirakadori bane ekoi punamaki laibok phabani aduga PWD department su sigumba yamna mafam chaba amada thong saramba haibasi masisu department ki chawa koi mai pakpa mani masigi thong sigi changaiba approach road haiba tare lambi sing sigadi koi chuna da gari ani thaina ba bhok chanda bagi poram laibase adana Manipur sarkar ge fan laiba leitabado karai deino thiraga athuba matamda lambi se ekoi gi yamna thong siga chanaba adugi thakta semna ba smaina hona jage
One-day training program on hands-on EVMs and VVPAT for sector officers of Imphal West District for the upcoming assembly elections was held today at the DC's courtroom, Imphal West Office, Lamphilpaat. Newly formed regional political party, People's Resurgence and Justice Alliance Praja will field at most 7 candidates in the upcoming Manipur assembly polls. Addressing the media at the party's office in Thamaiban, Khomdram Selumumlekai, convener and Praja candidate from Thamaiban, Irendro Leichombam said it is time all collectively raised a voice to bring about a new Manipur. He further stated that Manipur should replicate the Tamil Nadu model of development led by a regional party. He also demanded the state government to have a political dialogue to end the current unrest in the state. Irendro appreciated the bold decision by Thamaiban MLA Joy Kishan of quitting BJP.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯔꯤꯖꯅꯦꯜ ꯄꯥꯔꯇꯤꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯟꯗꯛ ꯂꯥꯛꯏꯕ 13ꯁꯨꯕ ꯑꯦꯁꯦꯝꯕ꯭ꯂꯤ ꯏꯂꯦꯛꯁꯟ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯦꯟꯗꯤꯗꯦꯠ 5 ꯂꯩꯖꯔꯦ ꯌꯥꯝꯃꯕꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯦꯟꯗꯤꯗꯦꯠꯁꯦ 8ꯇꯒꯤ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯆꯔꯣꯏ ꯍꯟꯗꯛꯁꯦ ꯃꯔꯝꯗꯤ ꯍꯟꯗꯛ ꯆꯍꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯔꯇꯤꯁꯤ ꯍꯧꯗꯣꯛꯆꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯚꯤꯖꯟꯁꯦ ꯆꯍꯤ 50 ꯍꯦꯟꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯚꯤꯖꯟ ꯑꯃ ꯊꯝꯖꯕ ꯏꯀꯣꯅꯣꯃꯤक ꯕ꯭ꯂꯣꯀꯦꯠ ꯀꯥꯎꯟꯇꯔ ꯏꯀꯣꯅꯣꯃꯤक ꯕ꯭ꯂꯣꯀꯦꯠ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯆꯤꯡꯗ ꯇꯝꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯏꯔꯥꯡ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔ ꯄꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯄꯥꯋꯔ ꯄꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯅ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯏꯟꯀ꯭ꯂꯨꯁꯤቭ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯃꯑꯣꯡꯗ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯛ ꯍꯣꯜꯗꯔ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃꯒ ꯄꯣꯂꯤꯇꯤꯀꯦꯜ ꯗꯥꯏꯑꯂꯣꯒ ꯑꯃ ꯆꯠꯊꯕꯤꯔꯒ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛꯁꯤ ꯁꯥꯟꯇꯤ ꯄꯣꯔꯛꯅꯕ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯈꯣꯜꯂꯥꯎꯁꯦ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛꯀꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗꯁꯨ ꯊꯝꯖꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯄꯥꯜꯂꯤꯕ ꯒꯚꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟꯇꯁꯨ ꯑꯃꯨꯛꯀ ꯍꯟꯅ ꯑꯄꯤꯜ ꯇꯧꯖꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤ
Time for a small commercial break. We'll be right back. Keep watching Impact News.
Northeast India Development Party Manipur Punna Kundaminari Yelhomi Singh Hamcha Naraba Thawai Miral Singh Aramba Khorang Pumubu Kohanabagi Choba Todang Lozanabagi Damakti the Manipur Yelhomi Singh Thawai Miral Singh Tana Semjaba Party ni Maramasina Mamayamna Bodo do NEIDP Mihut Singh the Pinabina Iram the Masiki Tungi Fere Sana Lepchanabi Damta Chapa Tanjadu Lobu NEIDP Mamayamna Bamiang Matabomi Kukara Tangai for the Nalojaba Dungi Matambu Ikai Kumna Buchari Masina Kogi Puari Nokupuna Kutsana Doning Singh but Hoktra Matamagi Laklaba Ekogi Puari William Tatabu Puari Masemlasi Kangan Zariba President Northeast India Development Party Sagol Bantera Lokrakam Lekai Imphal West Admission open. Royal Academy Wangjing ki pre-nursery digi class 10 fawgi admission hauzare. Khudong chaba singdi pre-nursery gi oina admission lem na tauzagani. First rank taba singi free tuition fee. HSLC exam da Wangjing Center gi oina first taba da lupali sing taragi manapi zagani. Salient features singdi dedicated pre-nursery class, compulsory computer education, internet ki khudong chaba na chingbani. Ngasimak laktuna ming chanbiu. Akupa marol gidamak Royal Academy Wangjing da contact tobiu.
World-class interventional cardiology at Sky Hospital, performing non-operative closure of hole in heart and RF ablation. Don't delay. Hurry for consultation with Chief Cardiologist Dr. L. Shamkishore for hole closure, RF ablation, coronary angioplasty requirement and other procedures like pacemaker, ICD, CRT, combo angiogram are also available. Hurry for advance booking to avoid disappointment. Free charge for BPL families.
Beneath 100 meters from the Earth's surface, naturally filtered through saline stones, pure, clean and healthy water.
Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. Secretary of Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee Jyotin Vaikom today hosted a reception for Cooperator of Thamaiban Ward Number 3 Hijam Nutachandra and 187 former workers of Kumukcham Joykishan at his residence at Thamaiban Hijam Lekai. Jyotin said Thamaiban MLA Joykishan quitting BJP has shown that the party is facing downfall in the state. He told the media that today is a day to celebrate for the people of Thamaiban, especially for the Congress workers.
Thamaiban Kakiba, Kumchum Education Party Tado Kre, Mississam Noy Pawmani. Nangi Mr. Oiradamni, Mr. Kente, and Masana Lautok Saramba, Adungasi the Taja with the Manga Kumali, Masi downfall, BJP downfall, and Loway, Party of the Gate with the Atin with the Late. Adu Mangon the Lady Ba underground case to Ma Party the Apapum Pangne, the Tazability. The Ma BJP president will get on me, Adu. BJP Manung the Magil case ma'am the underground Yabu case ma'am of BJP na other Delhi the Prime Minister Thaba the Gima President of Tokyo. Congress Party to Stamane, a party constitution the legacy, anti national activities involved Tarogati, even member of Yadavani.
BJP Andhra Mandal has accused Andhra MLA of withdrawing over 20 lakh rupees of local area development fund without implementing any work. In a press release, PRO BJP Andhra Mandal alleged that the MLA has withdrawn the amount in the name of beautification of SC Girls Hostel of Azad Higher Secondary School, repairing of Hairong Bridge, ground levelling of Tulial Awang Lekai, etc. Locals of Yaripuk Laimanai today held a sit-in against the attack on KN Singh, a BJP aspiring candidate of Andhra at Azad Higher Secondary School. Later, the protesters burned the effigy of Dr. Nimai Chalnuang. Mairapaibi Loop of Election Management Committee of Thangaluang decried the news appeared in local dailies today that the two persons who attacked BJP aspiring candidate of Andhra KN Singh yesterday ran into the house of Dr. Nimai Chalnuang. Speaking to media persons at Manipur Press Club today, Toijam Sorojini said Myra Paibis are guarding the gate of Dr. Nimai Chanluang and that the attackers did not come to his house.
Myra Paibigi hek gate mayadas Fama ibisi thamanga truki mamang dagi ahing le agal lairabani masida kanagamba amata selaki basulaite tanarki basulaite masi magi rajniti gi oiba khudongchaba launanaba mahakna semjan sajenba magi lilani dramani natatni mana sanabani aduna magi khudongchaba yengduna magi hairiba magi pharaba miyoi aniese magi board ki worker akoi active member magi nakchanna loinaba miyoi ni aduna matang asi mana lila drama sanarerga rajniti khudongchaba launanaba BJP ki ticket tanarakpada masigumba khudongchaba phangnanaba gi damakta makoi andro kendra leiba miyoi kharana loktunaraga chemjan sajenba prasar tawani masi.
The first district level officers meeting of Kaching district was held today at Kaching Municipal with DC Kaching in the chair. The responsibilities of the district level officers were also discussed at the meeting. DC Kaching Kiran Kumar said the new district will have a teething problem and the district level officers need to extend cooperation with each other. A 3-day training program for teachers on Shala Siddhi, a national program on school standards and education NPSSE, began today at Athopam Junior High School, Thobal. The program is organized by SSA Thobal District under SSA State Mission. Manipur State Minorities Commission today observed the Minorities Rights Day at Gandhi Memorial Hall. Speaking on the occasion, Project Director of Mobates, Mohammad Salahuddin Khan said, minority communities should not feel disheartened. Instead, they should work hard to become good citizens of the country. Parliamentary Secretary MOBC Mohammad Amin Shah and Wabagaya MLA Fazur Rahim were among those who attended the event.
Citizen among what the same I could say minority right had say that I secularism have concept the secularism say always have to be minority madam the secular force the Mate Pambatai, Madu Patai,
All Manipur Petroleum Tanker Drivers Union thanked the Hill Ghat Shillong Club Shorok Atingbi Jiribam for helping the drivers of goods trucks and oil tankers yesterday by distributing vegetables, rice and other edible items. In a press release, the union hoped that other organizations will also look after the stranded drivers in the future. Coalition Against Drugs and Alcohol, CADA, held the program to create awareness among the people about ill effects of drugs and narcotic substances at Kombamakha, Chongabi Lampak, Imphal East. Several resource persons spoke on the negative impact of drugs and alcohol on the society. The Election Commission will soon write to Central Board of Direct Taxes CBDT, informing it about its decision to delist 200 odd political parties which exist only on paper. EC officials suspect these political parties could be nothing but money laundering operations and have not contested any election since 2005 and exist mostly on paper. Sources said the EC hopes that the CBDT will have a close look at the finances of these parties so that a clear message can go out that forming a political party for turning black money into white is no longer a good idea. EC data shows there are currently 7 national political parties, 58 state parties and a whopping 1,786 registered unrecognized parties. Moving on to sports news. Assam Regimental Centre Shillong and Neroka FC Sangapam will meet in the final of the 68th Sir Surchand Singh KCSI CBE Memorial Football Tournament. In the second semi-final match played today at Kumalam Park Main Stadium, Neroka FC Sangapam beat FC Jalan Sada Hills 2-0. Iziogo Shinedu Emmanuel of Neroka FC Sangapam netted the winning goals in the 31st and 71st minute of the match to take the team to the final. He was declared the man of the match, and www.epow.com presented a citation and a cash award of 2,000 rupees through AMFA President S. Sanatomba. 22 football teams, including 2 from other states, competed in the tournament organized by All Manipur Football Association. The final match will be played on the 23rd of this month. It may be mentioned that 2 teams met in the 2012 CC Meet final. State-level Manipuri Pony Show will be organized at Central Agriculture University, Hiroshima on the 28th of this month. The event is being held under the project Conservation of Manipuri Pony of ICAR NRCE Government of India. Cash prizes will be presented to the winners in different categories at the show. Bihar won the bilateral series 5th one-day match played against Manipur. In the 5th and last one-day match played today, Manipur won the toss and elected to field first. Batting first, Bihar scored 125 for 3 in 30 overs. Siddhant scored 27 runs while Rahul Yadav 25 for Bihar. In reply, Manipur was all out for 94 runs in 28.3 overs, losing the match by 31 runs. Bihar all-rounder Rahul Yadav was declared the man of the match for his 25 runs and 4 wickets. The first T20 match of the bilateral series will begin from the 23rd of this month. Yaripok Laimanai Youth Club today felicitated Bina Shakhi, who bagged gold in the Kumite and Kata in senior female under 50 kg category of International Karate Do Championship 2016 organized by Bhutan Olympic Association in Bhutan. And before we end the headlines once again. In a surprise move, Thamaiban MLA Joy Kishan resigns from BJP and joins the Congress. BJP Manipur says Joy Kishan's resignation from the party will have little impact. Goodwill Mission for Peaceful Coexistence emphasizes the need to resolve the present issue. BJP Manipur Pradesh to demand Rajnath Singh to wipe out NSNIM designated camps in Manipur to end economic blockade. And defending champion Neroka FC reached final of 68cc meet Assam Regimental Centre Shillong in the finals.